Hi, it's John here, and I just wanted to get back to you on the last day of my August Pick Your Own PYO course promotion. I hope you've had a great weekend. I've actually had an amazing weekend because I've been really excited by your response to this promotion, with so many of you choosing to invest in my courses while you can with this great promotion. Did you know that my courses on Udemy total over 120 hours of courses? I was quite surprised. Many of you have enrolled in multiple courses, and that's amazing of you, so thank you very much indeed. Now, I have to tell you that your opportunity closes tonight, so don't miss out. We can only make these promotions for 5 days. That's part of the Udemy rules on these promotions. So here's fair notice that the doors will be closing on this offer at midnight, which slightly depends on your time zone, obviously. But it's so easy to enroll. It's just 3 simple steps. This is what you have to do. Go to my course page, which is at udemy.com/user/John Colley. Just search for my name if you're struggling to find it. Choose one or more of my courses. You can see them here on the screen. Then click on the course that you want to buy. When you do that, you'll be taken to the course page itself. You look on the right hand side and you'll see a little button that says Apply Coupon. Click on that and the box opens up, as you can see on the screen, and you put the PYOAUG coupon in there and then click Apply and then click Buy Now. And that's it. And you're into the course and you're off and running. Complete the purchase and I can then formally say, welcome to the course. Now, of course, coupons are unlimited, so don't panic about that. But the offer has to close at midnight, 1st of September 2020. So make sure you don't miss out. Enroll today, and I really look forward to seeing you in one or more of my courses very soon. Oh, by the way, did I remind you? Enroll now.